In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the modulus operator. The modulus operator is written the same way as any other operator. I'm going to use the interactive window for this demonstration. 7 plus 6, just use the operator in the middle. If I was to put 11 modulus 6, I just do exactly the same thing as I would have done with the plus. You may not understand the answer yet. It simply means what is the remainder after integer division has occurred. So remember, integer division is how many times the number goes into another number completely. So if I had the number 10 and I do integer division 3, I'm going to get the answer of 3. That means 3 goes into 10 3 times. However, the remainder is 1. So I need to find out the remainder. I could go 10 modulus 3. What is the remainder after 3 has been divided into 10 whole times? So obviously we get 3, 6, 9. The difference is 1. So the answer of 10 modulus 3 is 1.